So everyone keeps on asking me, do I do the dishes? Well, with the amount of cooking I have to do, I have to load this bugger every single day about 2 or 3 times. But luckily, I have not only got the domestic one, outside I've got this industrial one. It's great, and I'm going to show you. Let's go have a look. And here it is, my industrial dishwasher. All you have to do is basically pile it in neatly. I like to do it in alphabetical orders. Add a little bit of some soap. And basically just switch it on. It does the work for you. After a couple of minutes, it's always good to go and check your industrial dishwasher. And you go have a look now. Yeah. Know, every wash cycle has to have a rinse cycle. Don't forget the drying cycle. Who would have thought washing dishes can be fun?